Hi, welcome back, and if you're new here, I'm Luna. I'm going for 4 days to Vienna, Austria with my friend. This video I'm gonna be showing you how I pack and make the itinerary for a trip. Love you, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and see you next time. This is what happens when you're the planner of the trip. Bro. Look how many tabs. And there's like way more on my phone. Bro. Okay, so the plan for now is I'm going to clean my room because it's a little bit messy. And later, after I finish, I will make a Pinterest board for like a mood board for the Instagram pictures I want to take so that I can send them to my friend so she understands what I want. Also, I need to write up like a list of what I want, like how to take good pictures, because bro, she does not know how to take pictures. It's fine though, I will fix it. Hopefully I will have good content from Instagram. And also, while we're here, don't forget to check out my Instagram. It's right here. It's at luna.alhamwi. The link is down below, so it's fine. It's very easy. And that's it, I believe so. So I'm gonna go clean. Bro, I'm extremely tired. I finished the itinerary, so that's good. I packed all of my clothes. And I did the mood board, which I'm very pleased with. You can see, yeah, like the small things there, that's what I packed. And tomorrow I'm gonna put all of it in my suitcase. Good morning. I know this is a little bit psychotic because it's the morning and I should be brushing, but I'm not satisfied with whatever is in this. I was thinking about it the whole night and I realized that I'm stupid and I'm taking too many things and I'm gonna be there only for 4 days. P.S. I ended up not taking enough clothes with me. Great thinking, Luna. Great. I think I'm gonna take some stuff out and put some stuff back like in, but I will do that after school because I literally don't have time. Okay, so I think this is a bit crazy, but on the train I'm gonna wear this because we're gonna go to like a cute coffee shop and also a cute garden, like the Japanese garden, and I want to have something cute on. I think my things are gonna fit in this. I'm gonna go bring another suitcase I brought so to check which one is better. This is not good. Moment of truth. Nope, I think that one had more space. I'm gonna just finish packing and I will come back. So I was dancing before this and I'm literally sweating. I'm gonna go and do an everything shower to get ready for Vienna. I'm so excited. So I packed everything. I'm probably gonna reopen the bag and put some stuff in. I don't know. I usually do this, like until the last minute I always take stuff out and put stuff in, so that's fine. But like, we're gonna say that everything is packed. I even packed in this bag. There's just some stuff missing I still need to put in. It's gonna be super heavy, which is great. And I think that's it. I have to paint my nails and I think I'm done. I'm gonna go take my everything shower and then I will show you what I'm gonna do for my nails. I'm gonna add this Muso hair oil. It's rose nourishing into the head and leave it for 30 minutes, 20 minutes. I'm like no professional, so don't listen to me. This is me learning. I'm on my hair journey, like I'm starting it because I'm bored with my hair looking horrible every single time. I don't know how much is enough, so that's a bit of a problem. Also, your girl is stupid because, like, what the hell? I did my skincare already. So I don't understand what went through my mind, but I already did my skincare. So I'm gonna redo my skincare because I'm just... It's fine. I think I'm gonna run myself a bath. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Usually when you go on a trip, that should be the most expensive thing. But like, why is me preparing to go on a trip usually as expensive as the trip? What is this logic? I hope I'm not the only one, but I think everyone has like the before trip look. I'm done, and right now I'm curling my hair, or I'm attempting curls overnight with socks. I haven't done this in like a year or half a year. I don't know. So it's gonna be interesting. Because when I cut my hair, I stopped curling my hair altogether. So I haven't curled my hair overnight in a really long time. Ta-da! Slay. I'm stupid and I'm probably gonna regret this, but I'm gonna attempt this nail design. It's so cute. And like, my toxic trait is that I believe I can do this without a problem. Watch me cry. Literally. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look. That's adorable. I'm sorry. I slayed that. But we're not gonna look at this hand. This one, that's just blobs. But look at this. This is so cute. Good morning. It's the day of the train travel. I'm literally extremely tired. So I just prepared my snack. Inside we have pizzas and strawberries and these cookies, I don't know, and then water. Obviously this is for when we are in there, like in Vienna, if we need something. And then yeah, water. Our train has a 20-minute delay. Update, it has 25 minutes delay. How do you feel?
It's very sad. Yeah. Finally,
Our train. It had 40 minutes delay. How are you feeling?
it's so tiring. 16 minutes, I swear.
Did I have problem? Wait. How are you feeling?
I'm eating. I cannot tell.
What are you eating? Unhealthy. I'm eating kids. We're almost there.